Shandong Yuantong Century Intelligence Technology Company Limited was founded in 1996 with registered trademarks Bao Yuantong and BYT, have more than 30 patents for invention, utility model, and design. Now, our mainly machine include membrane vacuum press machine, vacuum forming machine, channel letter bending machine, CNC router, laser cutting machine. This equipment is widely used in outdoor and interior decoration, advertising, sign making, furniture making, solid surface and plastic fabrication field. At present, the factory has passed the SGS certification for 10 consecutive years, and all products have obtained the Europe CE certification.